You gon' wait until way past midnight just to catch me up when I come home. You stay up to wait for my headlights shine across the window so you know. Yeah, I should tone it down, but I can't. But I've been real loud, hoping y'all sleep it off. I've been way across town and I've been down. I've been fucking around and I've been caught. I feel bad, 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 but I'm gonna do it again. I feel bad, 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 but I'm gonna do it again. You say, catch me up